In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and manage a budget using Monday.com. It's super easy, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. By the end of this, you'll have a full understanding of how to keep track of your project's budget and stay organized. Whether you're managing a personal project or a work-related one, this method will help you stay on top of your finances. So, let's get into it. So, the first thing you want to do is get started with a template. It's pretty easy to spot. Once you click that, you're going to choose the option that says From Template. Now, in the search bar, just type in the word budget, and you'll see a few different options. Look for the one that says Budget Plan. This is the template we're going to use, and it's designed specifically to help you track your expenses and manage a budget. Once you find that template, just click on it, and you'll be taken to the next screen where you can hit Use Template. This is where the magic happens. Now that you've set up your template, it's time to dive into your new board. This is where you'll really start to make it your own. Let's say you're working on a new project, like launching an online store. You might name it something like e-commerce launch, but it could be anything you're working on. For example, if you're planning a product photo shoot, the name could be Photo Shoot Budget, or if it's for a home renovation, you could call it Kitchen Renovation Plan. Next, let's zoom in on what the project is about. For this example, let's say I'm creating a product listing for the online store. You can enter this in the task column, or whatever column you're using to track the name of your project or task. At this point, you'll begin to see various columns in your project template. These columns will help you categorize expenses like supplies, shipping, advertising, and any other costs that may pop up during the course of your project. Let's go step by step through the key columns that you'll be working with. First up is the Point of Contact column. This is where you're going to put your name, or the name of the person managing the project. So if you're in charge, just put your name in there. The next important column is the Status column. This is where you can update how the project is going. There are different options, like working on it, stuck, and done. This helps you keep track of where things stand and gives a quick overview of your project's progress. Now, let's talk about the Start Date and End Date columns. This is where you'll define your project timeline. You can set those dates, so you have a clear picture of your project's duration. This helps you stay organized and make sure you're hitting your deadlines. Now comes the crucial part, the budget. This is where Monday.com really shines. You've got a range of budget categories where you can start tracking your expenses. For example, if you anticipate spending $1,500 on marketing materials, software, or freelancers, you'll enter that amount into the marketing column. Then, if you have any venue-related costs, like booking space or renting equipment, you can enter those expenses in the venue column. For instance, if you plan to spend $500 on booking a space, that's the amount you'll put in this category. You can keep adding other columns like supplies, labor, or any other categories that suit your project. As you input your actual expenses, you'll be able to easily track whether you're on budget or overspending. For example, if you budgeted $4,000 for venue-related expenses but have only spent $3,000 so far, you'll see you're still within your limit. But if your actual costs hit $4,500, you'll know you need to reassess your spending and make adjustments where necessary. Here's the cool part. As you keep adding expenses and tweaking things, Monday.com will do all the math for you. So, if you enter $300 for travel and $500 for supplies, the platform will automatically calculate your total spend for the project. It's a huge time saver, and you won't have to worry about doing the math manually. This is also where you can get creative with the numbers. You might notice that your supplies budget needs a little trim to stay within your total. Or maybe you've got some extra wiggle room with your marketing budget and can spend a bit more. You can adjust the numbers as needed, and everything updates in real time, so you're always on top of your budget. If you want to dive even deeper into your finances, Monday.com has a handy feature called the formula column. With this, you can set up automatic calculations to sum up your expenses or even track how much you're over or under budget at any given moment. It's perfect if you want to keep a sharp eye on where your money is going. If you need to track something that isn't already in the template, no problem. You can always add custom columns. Just click the plus button at the top of your board, and you'll have the option to add a new column. You can create any column you need, whether it's for additional categories like supplies, a section for notes, or even a simple checkbox to track key milestones. For example, if you want to track venue-related costs, you can add a column called Venue and then enter your budget, say $600. As you input your actual costs, that amount will be included in your total project budget, making it easier to see the full picture. Customizing columns ensures you're capturing all the relevant expenses for your specific project. Another cool thing about Monday.com is that you can visualize your data. Once you've added all your expenses and set up your project, you can switch to the chart view. This gives you a graphical representation of your spending, so you can easily see how much you've spent in each category. For instance, if you have a pie chart, you might see that your resources take up the largest portion of the budget, and travel and food make up a smaller chunk. This helps you quickly see where the bulk of your money is going. You can also use other views like the table view for more detailed tracking or the Gantt chart view if you need to track your project's timeline alongside your budget. As your project progresses, you'll need to come back and update your budget regularly. Maybe you've spent more on resources than expected, or you've got some unexpected costs in travel. With Monday.com, it's super easy to make updates. You can adjust the amounts as things change, and the platform will recalculate everything for you. One of the best features is the ability to track actual versus budgeted costs in real time. This gives you a constant snapshot of your financial situation and lets you make adjustments as you go. If you're over budget in one category, you can quickly identify where to cut costs in another. If you're working with a team on your project, Monday.com makes collaboration a breeze. You can easily assign team members to specific tasks or budget categories. For instance, if someone is handling marketing or event logistics, you can assign them to those columns, allowing them to update the latest costs and details. You can also leave comments directly on any item. For example, if you're questioning whether a flight booking is too expensive, you can leave a note, and your team can reply. This keeps everyone aligned and ensures clear communication throughout the project. It's a great way to promote transparency and keep the whole team in the loop about the budget and decisions.